What up, YouTube? Let's see if we can get to this carburetor set. Not too bad so far. Looks like an Allen wrench to take off this throttle cable, or the choke, I mean, to take off the choke. Loosen up these throttle cables. These aren't too hard, you just loosen them, hold the bottom. This one was kind of clogged up. It should come off a little bit easier than that. Now it looks like we might be able to just unbolt these intake manifold bolts. We might be able to slide these right out, it looks like. Doesn't look like anything else is hooked up to them. Let's see what we got here. Looks like a 10. Yep, 10 millimeter. This will be faster. No washer on that one. No washer on that one, so someone's been in here. No washer on that one. Got washers on this side. Okay. So there's a lot of sealant all over this. Let's see if we can find a place to break it loose. It's on there good though. Some kind of RTV. There's one. There's two. Let's get these ones. One. Ooh, there we go. Looks like she's gonna want to slide out. Let's see what we got here. Maybe go out this way, the other way. Let's see. Okay. Run this. Here. And we are free. Okay, we got him out. We'll take him inside, take them apart, and see how bad they look on the inside. So I got water in here with a bunch of soap, degreaser, like just bathroom and like dishwashing detergent. And all I'm doing is cleaning off all the dirt off this thing. And then when I'm done cleaning the dirt, I'll drain all this water and then I'll put it in some WD-40. That way nothing rusts, and then we'll be able to take it apart and clean it. But for right now, let's get all this dirt off this thing. You can't leave it in this water though. If you leave it in the water, the whole thing's gonna rust. But to clean it in water, that's just fine. Like I always say, just take your time. Get all the dust out of all these linkages. Because we did pull this out of a trash can. I like using a paintbrush because you can get down in all these little cracks and get all the little pieces of grit out. Must have been sitting somewhere where water was all over it because little pieces of rust. Like maybe sprinklers are spraying on it all the time or something. Because people just throw these in their backyards. Once you throw them in the backyard, it's just the elements are going to get to it, you know. The more time you take, the better it's going to look. Almost brand new on the outside. Alright, let's dry it off. Alright, let's see if we can loosen up these bowls. Take a look at what's inside here. Always be careful with these nuts because they're going to want to strip because they're made out of junk. Let's see what we got. Pretty dirty. Some kind of oil in there. You know, it's probably WD-40 actually, mixing with the water. Plungers move in. Not a bad sign for that one. Let's look at another one. Not going to tighten them back down all the way. Because we're going to end up taking this off again. Let's see what we got on the float side. Let's see what this slide looks like. I really like these designs because you don't really have to buy anything for these top parts. You just gotta clean them. They're designed to make suction by these grooves right here. So as long as these O-rings are okay, these are super easy to rebuild. Like super easy. Look at all the gunk on there. That means down inside all these holes is going to be filthy. But we're going to clean it and make it brand new. I get caught up cleaning while I'm looking. My bad. But like I said, this is just the first inspection. We're gonna have to go over all of it and clean everything, but it's not looking too bad so far. That one's pretty bad. And the jets are clean in this one, which is funny. It was hella rusted, jets are clean, and that worked. This one wasn't that dirty, exact opposite. It's funny. Okay. Until the rebuild kit comes, we don't want that water in any of those places messing anything up, so we're going to pour WD-40 over this whole thing. This WD-40 will make it to where nothing rusts or starts corroding until those parts come, until I can rebuild it. Alright, we'll just let this sit until we get the parts. That WD-40 will make it to where everything comes apart pretty easily once we have the stuff to rebuild it. Alright, and we'll just let that be until we get the parts. Should be fine with all that WD-40 on it.